We're in Jamaica, we've got a car and we're building. Come with us and enjoy the ride.
Morning. Today we're off to look for a car. So we're just heading over to there. It's in Kingston. Yes, we're going to have a little browse today and see what we can get within our price budget.
If they have anything.
We desperately need to get a car. If we go to Manchester and our car rental is up, we'll just be stuck in one location. We'll have to get the public bus or just even the bus everywhere and walk, or we might have to get a bike. So yeah, we really need to try find a car. We're running out of time a little bit. We've only got a couple of days to find a car, so. Right, so here we are, we're looking, we're browsing. Go on, guys.
This Honda's 1.1.
Yeah, it is. They've got a lot in different price categories, haven't they? Ooh. Oh, it holds a lot. Yes. What's that? We're just looking again. So then there's this one. Hold on.
Looking at you, you want to splash the extra cash, do you? Get that extra We're gonna go and get some food in a bit too, don't worry. I'll be happy with this, man.
What, so it don't last?
Yeah, like this.
It's alright, Melly.
Check it out, the razor blade on the roof. Just in case you need one.
1 point. Four nearest offer.
This has been resprayed, obviously. Ciaz or whatever.
She's alright, darling. She's just round to. Hold on, let me come round. I'm coming. There's not much space between some of the cars. I'm coming. I'm here. So we've just come back from my friend's car dealership, and yeah, there's quite a lot of cars in there, quite a variety of prices, variety of styles. We had a look, we went up and down just browsing, seeing what we could see for our price budget, and yeah, there's quite a few. We didn't buy anything today. What we're planning on doing is coming back later on in the week. We took photos of all the cars, just go over it when we get home, and yeah, see what we like the look of, and then when we go back on Wednesday we'll actually purchase something, and we'll test drive them and then purchase something. You can tell we just stopped for a snack run. We just went to Lee's Food Fair in Kingston.
I recommend.
Highly recommend. Out the way, guys. Theo, come here. Come over this side. Come this side. Hazel, stay on this side of the car, okay?
This is 850, so can I just sit in the car?
Not right now.
It might have it on the fender.
How much is it?
850, he said.
Okay.
So look, 850 is in his. Yeah. It's rusted and about to drop off, and it looks all solid from what.
Mm.
I would say like this.
Wait, you're not going. Just decide say nah. Okay, we're gonna put a new battery in.
Yeah. Can I take it for a test drive though? Yeah, I mean.
That's right.
Yeah. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Half a tank?
Yeah, we give it yes.
Okay. Good, half a tank.
Huh? Huge shout out to M&W Motor and Wheels Limited in Mandeville. We went in one day, came back the next, took the car out twice for a test drive. Everyone there is super friendly and nice, 10 out of 10. For the service, car's still running smooth. Had to change a wiper blade, but that was about it. Oh, and a couple of tires, but generally, very good service. What do you say?
Come guys, remember the children.
Can you go?
Go on. Please. Good job. We got our plates. We got our plates. We got our plates.
So where are we just been into? The tap?
Yes. So we got our new plates to put on our car. We've just been into the tax office, the new one. Nice in there, crisp, clean, modern. How long were we in there for in total? Less than an hour?
40 minutes.
So yeah, very quick. Now we're gonna go pick up our car. Woo-woo! It's just happened, doesn't it?
Yes, it has.
Wow, we just got our plates and someone's plates have been knocked off. Oh dear. Hopefully they're alright.
They just left it in the middle of.
Yeah.
Oh wait, the thing's there now.
Oh dear.
How you doing? Hey, so this is it. The Nissan AD wagon, 5-door. Comes with nothing much really, not even a glove box, but we did buy a child seat that goes in. That was like 120 quid. Let me take you in here. Follow me in. Comes with a little smelly bottom. There he is. What's this here? What?
Oops.
What's this thing? What's this? What the hell is this? What is that?
It's putting things in here. It's for putting things in here.
Card. And then there's a button, and then this comes out. What's that for your lunch? I don't know. Can that go flat? I guess that can go flat, and it turns into like a table.
Can you swivel it?
A work table. I think that the chair goes forward. Who knows? Anyway, come in here. All the latest mod cons, such as windows that go up and down with a handle. That's good. This bit's quite cool though. Follow me. Check it out. So you can do work in the back. What are you doing? Get out of it. Chill and just relax. Oh, what are you doing? What are you doing to do that? Hey. Oh, this is nice. Give me a kiss then. Yeah, so we can just sit here like this and have a picnic, which I'm not even joking about that. It's actually pretty cool. Like when you like come out of the shop the other day, we all come out of Megamart, and then we had our like snacks, didn't we, in the back of the car, just like this.
Hazel, that's empty, darling.
And I remember when my dad when we used to go to Nebworth Park, and you know, like have picnics in a park or what have you, and you could open up the back and like sit like this. You know, like loads of cars you can do it with, but obviously this one you can do it with as well. And you can do work from it because essentially it's a workman's vehicle, workperson's vehicle. All right. Come.
Hello.
Are you getting in or out? Jump out, Hayes. Jump out. Jump out. Let me shut this one. So it's a... All right, here you go. So if you have a look here, you will see that it's complete with a shiny cellophane wrapper on the roof, like cling film. That's just to keep it fresh. Like if you've like, you know, had some leftovers from a main meal and you wanted to keep it fresh in the fridge. And then the floor, instead of carpet, no. It has like one kind of lino that's just creased and isn't actually flush to the like formed. It's just like loose, like a bag, which is bizarre. But obviously the inside is like really low quality, but supposedly the engine and the suspension and everything like that is good. This is quite cool. Look, there's a whiteboard there. Forget about your LEDC touchscreen navigation system. You can use chalk on this. Actually not chalk, but you can use a whiteboard marker. And then inside there's a really deep hole. So you can get, you know, like half your arm down in there. That's cool. There's a bag hook, so you can put a hook on a little bag there. That is the spark plugs like you have in your house, the fuse box. Just to keep it like really workman, they stick the fuses in there. This is cool. Cup holder. There you go for your coffee, because you need that if you're a workman. This thing here, look, it's a pen holder.
Maybe, is that
yeah, like a biro. So like if you're taking notes on a job, because this is your office, and then you have all this bit here. Ooh, that is hot. All right, well that's basically it, guys. Shut up, you. Come on. Shut up, mate. All right, so this is it. This is the whip. Probably at some point we will, excusez-moi, we will probably get a roof rack on it, and then we'll be able to like move stuff around. We're in the estate right now. This is not our build. Hopefully in 6 months time, don't worry about it. This we'll have something that's like this, a building site. Anyway, we're here. We're in Jamaica. We've got a car, and we're building. Come with us and enjoy the ride.
Say bye. Bye. Shut the door, get in.